Okay, perfect. You can start.
Okay, so let me share the screen. So I spared like maybe an hour yesterday to do the configuration of the BIMI. But I have tested the BIMI on those other email services like Proton Mail. And I just discovered that the Proton Mail doesn't display the brand or the logo of the sender of the email. I was trying to register for other email services like the Fast Mail, but they want to send me the authentication. I mean the code to activate my account through my phone, but they never sent. So I just decided to this morning to work on the two servers now. I mean the two IP addresses. Let me just share that. And I tested, sent an email to Gmail, and it actually worked. Let me just share the email. So there are other emails that automatically use IPv4. IPv4. Others will use IPv5. Let me just check this one. You can see this is using
Okay.
IPv6.
Let me send you. Wait.
So just maybe to confirm from my
Wait, let me send this to you. The IPv6 adoption.
okay.
Okay, you can click on that link. That is tool provided by Google, as we were discussing yesterday.
Okay.
So that is the adoption of IPv6. You see that around 50% of
Yeah.
IP internet is IPv6,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
you see how it's growing. This tool is for Google, so it means that you are working on something good.
Yeah. Yeah. It's true.
You see that it is growing. People is adopting it. You can click per country, IPv6, and see.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you see that. I don't know why in okay, the country that use most the IPv6 is France.
France is this one. Yeah.
Yes, yes, and in Africa, I think it is Gabon, something like that.
Gabon and
No, not there.
uh,
Gabon.
Gabon is here. 21.
No,
Yes.
it's Congo.
Okay, if you check
But
other country like Madagascar, Ghana, they are not using it.
Yeah, 6%.
Yes.
Even South Africa is like 1.
Yes. How to check Kenya?
Kenya is around 16.
I don't know why Gabon they are using a lot like that.
Gabon, even Mali is trying.
Yes, they are using.
Mali and even Senegal is 20.
They are using a lot. But okay, even United States they are not using like France. I think it's because IPv6 is free. Because for IPv4,
Uh-huh.
when you buy additional IPv4, you need to pay. Okay, but let me check. Yeah, sure. But This was okay. Let me try to share my screen.
Right.
To share my screen. I just want to.
Sorry.
Okay, this is where we have this IP address. So if I click here, I click here, manage IP address.
Mm-hmm.
You see, if I click here, order IP address, because on a server like this, on this server, we can add as many as possible an IP address, the many IP address. But OVH, they have a limitation of 24 IP address per VPS, unless we purchase a dedicated server. At that time, I think we can add 256, something like that. So if I click here, you see the IPv6 is free. You see this?
Yeah.
And this is pay one. This is without tax. It means that if you include tax here, it's around $2
Yeah.
pay one. So if you want to have 20 IP address here, this is around $30, something like that, or $40 per month. You see? I believe that is the reason why people they are using this, because it is free. I believe that maybe that's the reason why people in France they like to use this. Because with this, it means that you can just have one IP address and just use it when it's spam. You change it. You change it. Don't care about it. When your IP address is marked like a blacklist,
Mm-hmm.
you just put it back, get a new free one. But I believe that they have some limitations here.
Okay.
So if someone want to do spam sending email limited, you just take a server from OVH, take them here and take a free IP v6 and we send. And when it's blacklist, you don't change it. You take a newer IP v6, pay downloading. I believe that people are using this for that kind of stuff. Okay, I will let you share your screen. What I will send you again another thing. You will check that.
Okay.
Oh, I will send that to you. Okay, I have also found this powerful tool. This can be also full. Let's put them here. I will delete it again. Okay, I have checked the second tool that I sent. Yes, you can click on it and then you copy your header, you paste there.
Okay.
Yes. You no scroll up. Click you
Scroll
have
up.
the copy. You can yes, you can move that thing. Yes, click on the scope, copy, yes, copy, and you go and paste in that good tool.
Okay.
Analyze header. Okay, normally we have the IP here. You see the SPF.
SPF. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
you have the SPF there. Taking sparse, everything. We also with this tool we can also check about the quarantine, because when you send email, you need to see how much minute or how much second that email take to arrive.
Okay.
We can read that it is 1 second. You see
Yeah.
on the right.
This one.
Yes,
delete
1 second. Yes, they delete the 1 second. That is good. SMTP. Can we scroll down? Okay, it is okay. So if you scroll up, if you go on the on the top, on the left,
this.
yes, click there. I think this tool have some good option. It is from Google. We have check mails. I think that
I
is
mean,
to check the content of, yes. You also have the command dick.
oh, okay.
Yes, I think this we can check also the DKIM, some good stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but with this we can check our header. So, and what did you do this morning?
Yeah, that's what I actually did this morning.
And
Yesterday
yesterday,
I did the BIMI,
and
but it wasn't actually showing on any email that I tried to send, even to Proton. I That's why I said I tried signing up with the other email providers like Fastmail, but Fastmail didn't work, but because they were to send me the activation
and
code.
what ChatGPT is saying about that?
I asked ChatGPT. Let me see if I still have that. If I have it here. I just checked all the providers like the Microsoft Mail. Yeah, it's here actually. Um, yeah, it's like all of them, the Yahoo, the Gmail, uh, Outlook, they all need, they require this certificate, the VMC.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm just trying to locate it here. I have a lot of chats now. I ask a lot of stuff.
But do you ask to ChatGPT if it is possible to have that to use it without the VMC? Because last time it seemed for me like it's not possible to have the BIMI if you don't have the VMC.
Yes, I asked, and they say that some emails providers like receivers will display, but
And did
others will
you
not.
ask to him the list of those email don't provider who can display?
Yes, yes. He told
And
me that
if
I
you have-
should try Fastmail, but I tried to sign up for Fastmail and it wasn't.
Yes, but apart
Very
from mail, ChatGPT don't recommend you another provider.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I remember I did that. I asked that. Um, what? Doesn't have VMC.
You're saying that for Yahoo Mail, that is good. So you can try. You can also ask to Gemini because don't hesitate to ask even to Gemini or DeepSeek.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Sorry. Gemini.
Okay. You have no fast mail. We have here
I'll try.
OS.
Yeah.
La Poste is a French one.
I'll try to sign up for this too.
And how did you do to set up the VMC? Can you show us on your code on Ansible?
Okay, to set up
Yes, the VMC.
the BIMI.
Yes, the BIMI. Sorry.
Clean up. So I have it here in the DNS. Where is my DNS? Yeah. So the record like name is this, and the version is BIMI1, and then this one is the link to the file.
Okay. Can you paste that in Google? Normally, it should be public. It seems like that didn't have an error. The
This one?
HTTP. Yes. It is started with it's not starting. It's starting where?
Yeah.
Yes, but the browser will read that the one in front of
This
one.
this this is
Yes.
actually L.
Okay. Okay.
It's a link. L for link.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you paste that link in browser? Normally, it just need to be public.
Yeah, it's public. See.
Okay, maybe the size, because the size is too big.
They wanted a square.
Yes,
So
even if it is square, you need to have the size, the width, and the height for the image.
yeah, I think it's just the way Google is displaying it, like stretching the whole of it, but it's actually small. That's why you see even it is blurry. Like what
Okay.
I'll do is just to try to sign up for Yahoo Mail, and AOL. It's going to work fine. This one they never sent me their authorization keys.
Yes, I
So
think you can try again with them.
yeah.
Sometimes they will not send you, but after 2-3 days, because
Mm.
they are people who have it are human and they have infrastructure for production, or maybe they had some incident.
Yeah.
Or they can also have incident like us we have, especially for their infrastructure. When the visitor may become very high sometime and very slow some and very low sometimes. Because when you have a website or a service is even an application, if you have only 100 user, if you have around 100 user every month, you can be sure that even in 10 years, you don't need to change something on your infrastructure. But at the moment, your user, the number of your users starting on growing, it means that you need to also make the update on your infrastructure on every time. And update mean some incident. Okay, and what is your next step now?
So my next step, I just started working on the other parts of the list. I just started working on the Java because
Okay.
the JavaScript part I had done. I just confirmed yesterday if it was working. Because in my automation, I also added ports 465 and 587. So I checked
Okay.
that it worked.
All those four are working.
Yes.
All the 3 ports.
Yes, all the 3 ports.
Okay, very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
So
Um,
I'm now trying to study Java. I just started a few minutes ago to
okay,
research on
okay,
that. And
okay,
once I'm able to send, I'll go to Python and PHP and maybe SQL.
okay. That's
Yeah.
good. Okay. Do you have another thing to share?
Not at the moment. I don't have.
Okay. If you don't have something to share, let's continue with this person.
Okay, I'm going to continue. So I will share my screen. Okay, so yesterday I had a call with an intern, and then after that call, I was working on the DKIM, and I where it is, and I figured it out. So this was yesterday,
Okay.
and also the IP, the
Yes.
IPv6.
You have IP6 because Godek have set up it up, or because you decide to set up the IPv6.
I set it up yesterday.
Okay, make sure that tomorrow when you show us we have IPv4, or try to use both, because normally we need to use both. Right now, the adoption of IPv6 is not 101%. We have 50% of people who are using the IPv6. So it means that we need to use both. Right, Godric?
Yes, yes, we need to use both.
Okay. Emmanuel, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Karin, that's good. Yes, continue.
And this morning, so I reconfigured the server because the configurations were not there, and I had still a little problem with the DKIM, so I figured it out rapidly, and then I worked on the certificate. So the cert bot. So now it is encrypted.
Okay.
So
You are the one
that's
who are inside the certificate and make everything the conf.
sorry.
I sorry, I asked if you are the one who have set up the certificate, or maybe you
Yes.
have make the setup without understanding what you were doing. Like Franco, he did on yesterday. He set up the certificate, but he was not aware that he have set up it, because he just copy some command from ChatGPT and he paste without understanding that it was command for certificate. So here, it means that you have understood the certificate and you have decide to set up the certificate, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what
Yes.
happened when we don't set up the certificate? What are the consequences if we don't have certificate?
So the consequence if we don't have certificate is that we have the lock, the red lock. So it's like it's not encrypted.
Can you show
So
us?
like I think here this.
Okay.
So the it's not trusted by the people we are sending email.
Okay. 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 Good. And your certificate, you will set up it. It is auto renewal. Can you show us the script?
So okay. Um,
Have you put your conf in a doc on your local computer, in a document in your local computer?
yes.
Okay.
Yes,
And go
I,
there and then show us your conf in your doc.
so I just um I just added all the steps I did still here in this document. So this is what I did about certbot
And where is the auto?
in configuration. I still haven't done this part yet. So I configured it. I just load the port. I get the certificate and then added the configurations in main and master.
Okay. So, what you have done yesterday after the meeting?
After the meeting, I had a meet with an intern, and then I worked on the DKIM and the IPv6. And this morning, I was doing this certificate.
Okay. So you have started the certificate this morning, right?
Yes,
And you have not finished yet?
yes.
What is the remaining part?
I think I will take a look about the how to renew it yet. I don't understand it well yet.
Auto renewal, not only
Yes,
to renew.
yes, the auto renew.
Okay, and after that you need to automate with Ansible.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, let's continue with next person, Emmanuel.
Yes. So let me share my screen. Yeah. So I have an issue on signing outgoing mail, the DKIM. So I'm reading on it, but I'm working on it so that I can get the 10/10. So, but I look into FBL, feedback loop. Then
Okay.
I realize that before what I realize what you want to do. You want to use a Postfix as an FMT server so that we will not use Gmail Yahoo or we will not use fmtp.gmail.com or something. Just a postfix on page 25. So when I realized that, the feed loop.
What you have done yesterday, after our meeting.
Yes, so I have to do a research. So the research is what I'm going through. So
Yes,
I didn't.
research about what? Research about what?
Yes, so the research was on the FBL.
Okay.
The FBL. So I realized that okay, the JavaScript, the PHP, the SQL, and the Java and any other stuff must send through a mailer, in which
Yes,
it is sent.
we are still on the manual setup and automation. We are not.
No,
You are not now in the script part.
no. I've now gotten there, but when you read the FBL, you realize that you are creating a mailer that can send an XMTP to both you can send an email and the FBL will allow user to subscribe or unsubscribe to your mail, and also you can know the feedback on your mail.
Okay.
But before you do that, you have to set your postfix, the OpenDKIM, the XDF, the DMAC, the SSL, then the reverse DNS before you can put the FBL header. And I had an issue on my on my D distance. The DKIM was not signing. So that's the reason why I had 9. So I have to do a review of it and make sure that the OpenDKIM is working and work on it. So this is what I'm working on it right now.
Okay. So, okay, this morning time you have worked only 1 hour, so you have not done a lot of things. So, have you finished with automation with Ansible?
Automation with Ansible. When I finish the postfix, OpenDKIM, SPF, this and now it is the DKIM that is not working well on my own. When I'm done with it, the key setup component, this is what I'm going to automate. Yes, so I have the ones that are working down. So when I'm
No,
done with
what you have done last time, the setup, and your setup was good. The only problem was the RDNS. Mhm.
no, the DKIM is not signing. So
No,
that
I
is
am saying about the last time. You are
yes.
finished with the setup, with the manual setup on the server, and it was working.
Yes, so it was left with RDNS and FBL headers. But I had an issue with the DKIM. Yeah.
It is because if you don't store your setup on your local computer, because you are many who are working on the same server.
I have what I did on my local machine.
But oh, give me a minute. Yes, but normally you have already done this, the DKIM, the FBL, the DKIM, the DMARC, and so on.
But when I did it, it was not signing. When I did the verification, still not signing properly, which yeah, so my DKIM is not signing properly. And when you look at this, they even specify it here that it is not signing well. So that's the reason why I was looking into it, how to.
This 9 on 10 is what you showed to us last week.
No, that was I think Monday or
Yes,
Tuesday, Monday or
Monday.
Tuesday.
That was something you showed to us. And why now? I don't understood. It's like
No, I am
you are going
fixing.
back.
I am fixing what did not allow me to get 10/10. So that is where I'm
Because
fixing.
if you go on mail tester, even on mail tester, it's not because you don't have 10/10. That means that your thing is bad. Sometimes it is just email content.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes the issue is just email content. And in your case here, yes, you are not full authenticated. But can you go on the page of this mail tester and show that to us?
Oh, unless I rerun it, unless I set up everything again.
Because in my mind,
Um,
it seems like you are moving back.
no,
Because
I'm not.
normally you should be working on automation partner. Yes, on maybe FBL, RGNL certificate, and BIMI, and the IPv6. Because I was expecting that today you show me that you have worked on FBL. Yes, that you are done. BIMI or certificate or IPv6, something like that. Because you still have again automation.
Yes, so I did my DKIM and it was giving me an issue, so I have to fix it. Then the RDNS/PTR is just a configuration, but this
Yes, we
one,
have spent a lot of time on that done yesterday.
yeah,
I can expect that you and Karin, you have understood how it works very well.
yeah, yeah. So this is the one that is I have to resolve before I look at the FBL errors. That is when I can have an SMT on my Postfix server.
Can you show us the terminal how you have tested yesterday to send to make the DKIM? Can you show us?
How it is a command that I was going through here.
No, not yeah, in your terminal. Not this.
So it's the same thing that I go through.
From your
But
terminal, you have not.
ye-
You don't have normally. If where is your terminal? You don't have
yes,
an open terminal here.
with the terminal, I'm not on the server right now.
I mean,
I've not.
where did you test? How did you test to make sure that the DKIM is not working?
Yeah, I. Where did I test? So the previous test that I did, I downloaded this one.
Okay, can you show us this email? Just no. Show us this email. I want to check something.
Okay.
Can you scroll up or you just
This is
scroll up?
it. This is the
Oh,
email.
this is for 3 days. Don't. This is for 3 days. It means that you have not made any test. See that there.
Yes, yes, I am fixing the issue.
What? It means that yesterday and this morning you did not make any test, because if you have made a test, you should have received an email this morning time. Because in your mailbox here, there is no thing that you have sent on today. So you are showing us something that you have done since 3 days. If you have done nothing, you
Yes,
consider you are
because it is not correct. So I have
no,
to go
even
through
if
the
you don't have
process
the
again.
DKIM, even if your DKIM is not okay, you will receive an email and Gmail will tell you that hey, the DKIM is not okay. So everything that you are
When I send, it doesn't come because the DKIM is not working. So it doesn't come.
yes,
So
go on
this
save
is
and show us how you have sent. Because what I'm seeing here is something that you have done 3 days past, and you are trying to tell us about something that you have done since 3 days. If you are not doing something this morning, just say that you have not done something instead of wasting time for people. And
no,
I
I'm
think
not
that you have
wasting
to-
your time. I'm telling you that I have issue with the DKIM. So I'm
yes,
refreshing.
show us how you have run command this morning time. Show
I've
us.
not run any command. Have I mentioned that I've run
Yes,
a command?
what you
I
have
said
not
I have
run,
issue with this one. I've not
you have
run
not
any
run,
command.
you have not run any command. And how did you make that to show that the DKIM is not working?
No, I did the research. I did the research. Watch this. I did the research and I
Where?
picked
Show
one
us
again.
where DKIM is not working. Show us the place. Show us how you have done to detect that the
When
DKIM
you
is not
download this one, when you download this one from the email from the original, when you download it and you place it inside,
Show, go on Gmail, open the original. You have the Gmail there. If you scroll up, check the date here. This is 63, this is 63, this is 63 day. If you scroll, check the date there. You want to download one to show the original. You have here the DKIM is not good, but this email is something that you have sent since 3 days.
see what I have is not working. So I have to fix it. So I have to go through the process, see what is wrong. Then I have to go through it. So I
Okay.
cannot be testing something that is not wrong. I have to understand what is the problem. And if I don't understand the problem, how can then I'm wasting my time testing.
Okay. And how
I
you
understand the problem that it is DKIM. So I wanted to have a meeting with my colleagues that have done it so that they point the issue that is affecting my own.
okay, one question. So if I understood well, you have done this on Tuesday, right?
Yes.
And the DKIM, as we can see here, is not working, right?
Yes.
And today you have or yesterday, yes, yesterday, because you have not worked on Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
And yesterday, you have spent time to try to solve that issue, right?
Yes.
Okay. And this morning time, it is only around, okay, according to your time zone, you have only worked 1 hour, and 1 hour is very small to make some troubleshooting. Okay, I have understood now. Okay. That's correct for me now. Okay. In resume, you have run the email on Tuesday, and the DKIM is not good. Okay. Wednesday, you have not worked. Yesterday, you are troubleshooting it. Okay. That's good. And what is your next step now?
Good. So my next step is when I fix the DKIM and it is working, the RDNS, we've already done it yesterday. So I'll quickly fix that one and try do a test on it. Then I look at the FBL.
Okay. Very good. And you also have the automation part, right?
Yes, so I will start working on it when the FBL is working, or even if the FBL is not complete, I can start doing the automation so that those that have automated their own can also assist me to go into it.
Okay, good. And the certificate, last time your certificate was okay. You work on that part
Yes,
in your email.
yes.
Can you show us? No, God, yes. Click there. You are the one who set up it, or maybe
I set it up and I remove it. I remove when I do something on the server, I clean it up so that my colleagues too can have, they can also set up their own lesson so that they understand the steps involved. So I remove
okay.
it.
Can you show us the command or maybe your code for certificate and the auto renewal?
So this is the auto renewal. There's the scroll tab that will handle that.
Okay.
So I've done it long time. So there's the command that I will use to enable it as a success.
Okay. Good. Okay. Do you have another thing to share?
No, I have to work with Godric and my other colleague to help me fix my DKIM so that I can meet the speed with them.
Okay. Good. Okay. Anyone have something to share? Anything to share?
No, from my side, I don't have anything to share for now.
Okay. No idea, no suggestions.
No idea, no suggestion.
No, from my side also, I don't have anything to share.
Okay.
Okay.
You, Emmanuel, nothing else?
No, I just have to do fast and meet my because where there are 3 steps, so I have to work hard and meet the steps where they are. So I have to work hard.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. See
Okay.
you tomorrow.
Bye.